May regalo na naman si LBC sa akin. Knife pa rin yan. Hey there everyone. Nasa shop tayo ngayon at making this video kasi meron akong bagong natanggap na naman na kutsilyo. What else? If the background noise is too much, medyo maingay dito kasi nasa rooftop ako. Pasensya na po. So na make a video of this one before I keep it. So I got this knife from Iloilo. Isa na namang kutsilyo mula sa isang kapwa ko tikalon, Longgo. You might wanna check this guy out because he's such a talent. His name is Blademan Iloilo. There, you can check his Facebook page if you want some knives custom made for you, or if mayroon siyang mga available na mga items for sale. Okay, now I've been following this guy. Tagal na ako nakasubaybay din sa mamang ito eh, kasi yung nakakita natin yung great talent in making these knives. Tinatawag niyang La Bomba Creation. I don't know what that means, but he often calls his knife creations this way. So after some time, pinalad tayo na mapakinggan yung request natin na magkaroon ng isang kutsilyo mula sa kanya. During our communication, he asked me kung anong tipo ko na knife. I told him na ang paborito kong profile ay yung simple lang, hunting knife with a drop point profile. So he made me a sketch and we agreed upon the design and he proceeded in making the knife. After a couple of days, the guy's giving me progress kung ano na. And then the other day, it was delivered to me. And now look at that. What a stunning knife this one is. Okay. Tingnan natin ang itsura niya and then lagyan natin ng ruler para magkaroon kayo ng idea how big this one is. Let's open this one. Nakakailag sheet siya. Okay. It's got a total length of 9 inches. So hindi siya maliit, no? Medyo may kalakihan siya. Handle is 4 lang pala ito. And then the blade length is nasa 4.5. So the immediate thing that will catch your attention is how chunky this knife is. It's pretty heavy. Ayoko na timbangin, but for sure this got some good weight on it. It's because of the thick spine. I don't know how thick this one is. Nasa I measured it and it was almost 1 centimeter itong thickness ng nasa handle banda. And then it tapers down dito sa tip. This is going to be a very strong knife. Now what I have noticed in his style is mahilig siya mag-texture sa surface and ang ganda naman ng ng pagkagawa niya ng mga texturing. Some kind of a flint or obsidian, something like that sa flats niya. And the bevel is in a mirror finish, parang salamin. Oops, makikita ang boobs ko. For the handle scales niya ay black, kamagong wood, para siyang plastiko, para siyang G10. Binigyan niya rin ng contours to match the flats of the blade. Napansin ko pareho siya ng design sa kabila, asymmetrical. Ang galing. Because if it were me, kung akong gumagawa ng mga ganito, ayokong ipantay na because it's ma-pressure ako na maging pareho sa kabila. So since you're grinding it off randomly, I don't have to make it uniform sa kabila. But this guy, may pagka-usi rin ito si Blademan Iloilo. Pareho. Yeah. So, napansin natin, hindi pins ang gamit niya. Chicago screws ang gamit niya. Dalawang Chicago screws. So, I don't know if he has applied adhesive on this one. Wala siguro. Parang flat na flat lang ito. And then, the scales are fastened by Chicago screws. Meron siyang dark red na liner. Same material as this sheet niya. So, maganda. Match yung sheet and the liner. Ang kapansin-pansin, yung liner niya ay hindi siya akma sa hugis ng handle scales. And the reason for that is that para talagang makita mo yung liner. So that the liner will really stand out. Oh, hindi siya pantay. Oh. Hindi siya flush. Ang scales, the liner, and the handle, the metal sa handle itself, naka-layer siya. A well-thought design. Sa dulo, expose itong part ng tang. May butas, pwedeng pwedeng lagyan ng lanyard. Probably maganda siguro kung ginawa itong parang pry bar para may purpose din. Ito, pwede siguro yung tinulisan ito maging pry bar. Boom. Dagdag gamit din. But anyway, for the sheet naman ay Kydex. Red Kydex with this belt clip. It's a complete package. Fit na fit siya. Wala akong tripod, sorry. Very fit and tight. Snug ang pagka mold ng Kydex sheet niya. So this is very secure, no wobble, walang alog, at hindi ito matatanggal. Kahit mabigat yung blade, kahit alogin mong ganyan. Great job on the sheet. And of course, the knife overall. Well, what else can I say? I'm really happy. Damo kit nga salamat migo sa pag himo sini nga knife. Kadugay na ko nagaabang sang knife mo ba. Subong lang ko nakatilaw. Order pa taliwat sunod kung may kwarta naman ta. And you guys, you might wanna check this guy out. Excellent workmanship. Fit and finish, superb, so superior. Hindi ka magmahay. You'll get your money's worth. Bonus pa pala kasi dahil nga daw Christmas season ko ito in order. I had a 1,000 peso discount, so ayos. Sulit na sulit ang binili ko dito. I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe tayo dyan sa Club Sharp Stuff para wala lang, masaya. Wala naman tayong kinikita dito. I just wanna promote mga gawa ng mga local blade blacksmith artisans natin para makilala, and then our knife or blade community in the Philippines will grow. Maingay itong mga alaga ko. Alright, stay safe everyone. Stay sharp.